When you're away, it's easier to live in the moment knowing that everything is okay at home. What if you had the power to always know for sure? Butterfly is a leap forward for the connected home. It's more than a next-generation security camera. It's a whole new way to experience and interact with your home. Inside Butterfly is the technology to know what's going on around it. But at the heart of Butterfly is something unlike any other home security camera. A powerful computer that learns and makes decisions based on what it sees and hears. That way, it only records when there's something going on that you need to see. It can learn the unique rhythm of your home and realize when something is out of the ordinary. It can also detect familiar faces and tell the difference between humans and pets. Butterfly becomes an extension of you, able to know what's normal and what's not. That way, you only get alerts when it really matters. With the tap of a finger, you're instantly in two places at once. The Butterfly app is a portal into your home when you're away and sorts the moments into an interactive timeline that's like a curated newsfeed of what you missed when you were gone. Butterfly was designed to look like a natural and elegant part of your home, and it's wire-free so it can be placed where you need it instead of where your power outlets are. Traditional home security systems are just not practical. They're expensive, complicated to set up, and difficult to use. So we reimagined what a security camera could be and then set out to make it. Our team has been developing Butterfly for the past 2 years, building a powerful device that's reliable and easy to use right out of the box. Whether using it to protect your family, pets, or property, Butterfly keeps you in touch and helps keep them safe. We're excited to share this new technology with you. Join us in bringing simple home security to everyone.
What do you think it takes to get high-quality drone footage like this? A professional drone operator? A cameraman? Expensive equipment? Or simply this? Introducing the Sci-Fi Level 1 drone, a drone that lets absolutely anyone capture footage like never before. Sci-Fi's Level Up technology is the real breakthrough. By using 6 rotors, the drone can fly without tilting, making it simple and intuitive enough for anyone to fly. Plus, you get professional, stable footage without an exposed gimbal. Because Level Up gets rid of the usual multi-rotor wild tilting, the interface can be simplified. To fly, just swipe. Swiping is a superior interface that allows you to see what you're capturing while flying, unlike tilting or joystick-only navigation. Our flying interface can be downloaded as an app on your smartphone. It's simple, accurate, and fun. Because drone flying is better when it's shared, the Level 1 can post shots and video real-time to your social network of choice. And with the new geofence technology, you can define the area in which you want to fly. Your drone will stay within your boundaries of choice, allowing everyone from beginners to experts to practice their piloting skills with confidence.
Since then, we've been working hard to apply this same technology to the USB charger. We use USB to charge our devices every day, but we can't plug them directly into our walls. Instead, we use USB adapters or hardwired products. Both have their problems. Adapters are bulky. with its sleek, low-profile design, it's sure to blend in anywhere. In just seconds, you can make any standard outlet in your home USB compatible. The Snap Power Charger truly is the most convenient, simple, and attractive USB charging solution for your entire home.
Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to every... Having a soundtrack to your life shouldn't be so hard. You want to take your music with you wherever you go, ready when you need it. You want to feel every beat and experience every note, crisp and clear. With Nextear, you can. Nextear are the world's smallest wireless earphones, complete with a multi-purpose rechargeable storage case. Nextear is 2 ultra-small in-ear wireless devices that pair with any Bluetooth smart device to play studio-quality music hassle-free. It has an integrated lithium-ion rechargeable battery, which lasts for 4 hours continuous playback. It recharges super fast, so you can go back to listening to your music quicker. Nextear comes with an ultra slimline design case that acts as a built-in storage and charging bay for the earphones. It has an integrated lithium-ion rechargeable battery, which recharges the earphones up to 4 times per charge, as well as being able to charge your mobile phone. It features a built-in LED light, 16 gigabyte flash memory to store photos, videos, documents, and music, built-in mail connectors so you can connect to an iPhone, Android, and USB without the need of a cable, and a keyring hook. Its small size means that you can have your earphones by your side ready for every moment. The freedom of no wires gives you the freedom of sharing, to take your music with you wherever you go, to feel every beat and experience every note, crisp and clear. This mind-blowing simplicity gives your music the freedom it deserves.